Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's Vlogmas video, I'm bringing you guys a recipe that you guys can try. It's quick, simple, maybe easy, who knows. You guys will see throughout this video. I'm going to be making some spiced Christmas jam. This is going to be my first time ever making this. So if you're new to my channel, I like to make things from time to time. I do baking and cooking. So you guys will see that here on the channel. You'll also see lifestyle vlogs. You'll also see grocery hauls. And of course, from time to time, my daily life, which is being a teacher. So in today's video with the spiced Christmas jam, you're going to need the following items. Cranberries, mine are frozen. You can use frozen or fresh, totally up to you. I'm using frozen whole strawberries. And then I have sugar. I have the liquid, premium liquid from Pectin. So I have 2 packets in here. This was about $6. I have the ground cloves, ground allspice, ground cinnamon, and last but not least I have ground ginger. So these are the things that you're going to need for this recipe. Alright, so I have my magic bullet here. I'm going to go ahead and plug that up. With the magic bullet, we're going to go ahead and blend together the cranberries and the strawberries with measuring it out. Alright y'all, so we're going to bring 5 cups of strawberries, 2, alright, so 5 cups of strawberries, y'all. We're gonna do about 2 cups of cranberries. Alright, so we're going to get 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of ginger, and we're going to put it into our little pot and mix all of it up, along with the 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice and ground cloves.
So much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.
Alright y'all, so this is the part where I am going to be taking the strawberries and the cranberries, putting it into my magic bullet blender and blending it up. Some people like to use chunks, like leave chunks in there, some people don't. I think that I'm going to go ahead and say that I do want some chunks in there. So I'm just going to blend it up the best way that I can. And I'm going to put it in a separate bowl, that way when it's time to go on the stove, I can just transfer it, and then that's when we're going to add in some other things.
You were close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas day.
Alright y'all, so the one thing I'm going to say is if you choose to do it frozen, just know that it's going to take a while. What I end up doing is just heating up the fruit 30 seconds and then blending it because it needs to be thawed out. So if you choose to do it, heat it up in intervals of 30 seconds or just leave it out all day to unthaw and then kind of go from there. So this is what I have so far. When you heat it up and then basically blend it up. Alright, so I've blended up most, not even most, all of the strawberries and cranberries in here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on to medium to bring it to a boil. I'm then going to go ahead and add in those sugars, cups of sugar, and then the spices are right here.
We do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else.
Alright, so I have about 6 jars that I'm going to can today. I'm going to just simply make one for the house, co-worker, whoever else wants to take one off my hands. It's just time to get rid of these little jars because I can always get more. So right now I'm just waiting on this to come to a boil, and then I'm going to add in those other things.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you. And there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we want to do. 'Cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together.
Alright, so I added in the sugar. What you want to do is let this come back to a boil. I am going to go in with the seasonings, the spices I should say, and get those in. And then once this comes back to a boil, I'm adding in those 2 packets of liquid pectin. I'm telling y'all, after adding in these spices, I'm really starting to get the Christmas aroma, literally just like as if I was making like a Christmas pot, what do they call it? The Christmas pot where you want your house to smell like Christmas. And it smells amazing. So I'm letting this come to a boil, getting ready to add that pectin in, and then I'm gonna just let it boil for a few minutes, turn it off, can it, and then basically put the jars down in some hot water on the stove to make it. And then I'm just gonna let them sit, because they, after that point, there's nothing else you can do with them but to let them sit 24 hours. So this time tomorrow afternoon I'll be ready to say, hey, I made spiced strawberry or spiced Christmas jam. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna give it a try. I spooned out the foam. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's good. Alright, let these come to a boil. Put our timer on for 10 minutes. When it comes out, they're gonna need to rest on a towel for 24 hours. Nothing else you can do with it after that. Alright, y'all, so all of the Christmas spice jam is done. It has to sit out for 24 hours, so sometime tomorrow around 5:30 it'll be done. It is definitely liquidy. Like I said, just has to sit out. I made the bigger one for myself to keep here. Anyways, with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. I hope that you guys give it a try. If you do, comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. I think that it honestly tastes amazing. Unlike when you're making cookies using, you know, raw egg, you can at least try this and see if you need to add any more sugar, or if you would like to add anything else to it before it's done. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the video tomorrow.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated
Alright, y'all, so it's been 24 hours later. I finally have allowed the Spice Christmas Jam to make. I'm really hoping that this is good. It smells amazing. It tasted amazing yesterday, so I'm hoping that I have the same effect today that I did yesterday. So let's go ahead and try it.
all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you.
Oh my god.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first
So I'm getting like strawberry vibes.
I longed for
I've never really like tasted
have you for myself.
cranberries before, you know, like by itself, but I definitely can taste both. I also taste those spices. Let me give it one more bite. Oh yeah, this is amazing. I definitely get Christmas vibes from it. I definitely would make it again. And honestly, if I could, this would be a side hustle for me. One thing I'll say is you can pair this with cream cheese. So if you want to put this on a bagel, that would go well with it too. All I know is I'm gonna finish this whole piece.